Hello, welcome to my channel. For today I'm doing a pedicure. Yes, it's been already 1 month since I didn't do a pedicure, and I need to remove these French nails and to make something new. I like it, it lasted very well, as you can see it. I mean, it's a little bit of dead skin there, but it's looking okay. It's 1 month already. We'll remove this set. You can see also the stones are still in place. Yes, this pedicure is looking very nice. I like it. But now we'll have to remove it and to do something new. If you like my channel, please follow, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I'm posting new videos. And if you want to purchase any products that I'm using, you can find the links in the description below. And let's see how this pedicure turns out. I will use some vibrant colors and we'll create something new. I already prep nails, clean them and get them ready. If you want to see how I clean, how I do a pedicure prep, you can check in playlist pedicure. I have plenty of videos with different methods. Now we'll just start with design. So these are the nails. I'll put these separators. I find them very handy to not mess with polish. I used bond control. I still don't know how to make this video for pedicures to see full what I'm doing, because sometimes my hand is coming exactly in the way, but you get the idea. You understand what I'm doing here. I use now a layer of base coat and I cure it for 30 seconds under LED lamp. And now I will go with the gel color. I want to use this blue that is amazing looking, and I mean you can wear it anytime, this blue, and this pink. This is a pink purplish light, is very nice and goes very well with this blue. But I will show you what I will do, because this will not be the only design. So I place the first coat and I'm curing it for 30 seconds under LED lamp. But before I have to clean a little bit to not cure all like this. You can see much better the imperfection from here, but when I'm doing the pedicure, I'm not that close, so I don't see all details very well, but I'm trying to do better. This pink color is amazing. I'm using the top coat. Now, after I cure the second layer, I cure it for 30 seconds. I'm using the top coat only on the nails that I'm closing. So these 4 nails, I'm closing them. I use top coat, cure it for 60 seconds. On the big toe, I will use the matte coat. And again, cure it for 60 seconds, all. This is a very weak design, but I like it. And I'm using these stickers, these teeth. I don't know, teeth, what are those? I just place it in the middle This is the part that I don't want to be covered by the color. And I'm using base coat on all the finger just to have a smoother application with the gel. I cure it for 30 seconds, and after that I can place the color. The matte coat, no, the base coat, yes, I cure it for 30 seconds. Now I'm placing this blue. I'll put 2 layers. And each layer cure it for 30 seconds. As you can see, I couldn't see that blue there. I can see it now on camera, but from my position, I didn't see it. I didn't clean it before curing, but I can fix it after anyway. I cured the second layer also for 30 seconds. Now you can see it, but it cannot remove because it was already cured. I cure it, and now I'm removing this sticker, and look how beautiful it is. I like it. I'm using top coat, 1 layer, cure it for 60 seconds. And this is all. This is the pedicure. Of course, I will have to clean the sides. I clean the sides, and this is the final look. I like this combination of colors. These waves or teeth, or what are those stickers, are having a very nice effect on toenails. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up, comment down below if you want to see any other designs, and give a follow to this channel. I will see you in my next video. Thank you. I really like this pedicure. I hope you do. Thank you. Bye bye.